It's supposed to be a humongous sale today at this Shop in the Safe store on Archer and Central. I'm going to check it out if that's what it is. I come over here about 3 times a week. Oh, we got some sales tax over here. I don't know if that applies, but I'm looking for a different item. Yeah, they got a bunch of tags over here. The yellow one represents the sales. I'm looking for, particularly for a lard that's supposed to be very healthy. Let's see if we're going to find something. I see a couple containers over here, but I don't know if I got enough here. Oh, they got the large containers, okay. So I take 2 of those. Oh boy. Okay, I take 2 of these guys. Since they don't have the small ones, okay. Well, they got some sale on the meat over here. You see those tags. Oh, let's see what else we're going to spot in here. Oh, we're trying to get some bread, but I don't see any sales on bread in here. It's just everyday prices. Well, I think I'm going to get this over here. Let me see that one over there. Tried to get this one here. I don't see the one that I was looking for. Maybe I take this one. Okay. Let's see if I can get some delicious buns. I like them all the time. Okay. Let me see. We'll get some fresh buns over here. Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to use some paper tissue, or gloves, but I'm not touching anything. Okay. Let's see. I'm supposed to look for something else. I'm not sure what that was. Let's see. I got some beautiful pastry in here. Let's see if I can pick something in here. I think I take one of the Danish. Raspberry Danish, okay? And I was going to take something else. And I don't remember what was it. But as I'm riding through here, I might be able to remember. Yeah, as you see, they got a large assortment of fruit and vegetables in here. Yeah, I was looking for some apples, I think. Macintosh, last time I was over here, they didn't have it, unfortunately, but maybe they just got a new shipment. No, don't look like.